Well, today was supposed to be the easiest day, and it was anything but. Alright, about to start day 3 of the hike. Today should be one of the easier days. Machu Picchu is a little tough because we have to get up so early, but yeah, today should be one of the easier days. We only got about 6 miles, not any really crazy high altitude, so it should be a pretty easy day for the most part. I've got a nice cough going. It's like down in my chest right now, which is fun. Slept pretty good. I probably slept for a couple stints where I slept for 3 or 4 hours at a time. Went to bed at 8 o'clock last night and woke up about 5 this morning. So luckily, because we're in a fast group, they let us sleep longer. So that's the nice thing about being in a group that generally is faster than they anticipate, is we get to sleep in a little bit longer on some of these days. So yep, day 3. They say today is one of the more beautiful days because we were in a cloud forest almost all day. So should be a lot of cool stuff to see. Hoping to see some animals, that would be awesome, but all I've seen are just some birds hopping around and stuff like that. I heard a lot of frogs when we were up on a couple of the passes, but yeah, so getting ready. Day 3 in the Andes, here we go. Point the GoPro down. Yeah. The GoPro effect is going to be in full effect here, where it's not going to look nearly as sketchy as it is.
Yeah, you can see your hands on your poles on the screen. It's kind of cool. You're like, oh.
Oh, poop. I know she's jumping out. Now don't scare me. I'm going to fall and hurt myself. I'm filming. I have video evidence. Can't even see where I'm going. Holy crap. Oh. This is crazy.
This is pretty scary.
Oh, it's wet in here. Oh, and I'm falling over. Hi, Marisol. Wow.
Are your eyes just for a second?
Yep. Third and final pass had self-service, so I was able to talk to Rachel, and I was able to text my kids and a couple group texts that I've been a part of that have been people have been praying for me. So third pass, now we've got most downhill. You can't see anything because it's all foggy. Thanks, Amazon rainforest. Okay, this is officially one of the coolest sections of this stairs.
Agreed. Just how tall it is.
Yeah, and it's like, it's basically, it's a spiral staircase. Holy crap. I gotta take a picture when I get down a little lower. It's like you're in Indiana freaking Jones. Mm-hmm. Oh. See, is my camera pointing down far enough?
I can't see it from here, but I can tell you in a step or two.
No, it's fine. Holy shnikes. Oh, jeez. I think that's a step. Oh. I don't like this. Oh. The first two steps are worse because you can't see them. I'm pretty sure there's a step there. Jeez. That was gnarly. Well, today was supposed to be the easiest day, and it was anything but. Everything was steep stairs downhill. It was insanely sketchy, and I've got this exposed better for the background than for my face, but my legs are killing me tonight. I'm exhausted, and we have a 3:30 a.m. wake-up call tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll be going to bed early tonight. Feeling absolutely horrible. The sinus stuff has moved down into my chest and it's giving me a nasty cough, but I'm almost done. 5 kilometers left to Machu Picchu, and then start working my way home. Good morning. It is 4:15. We've been up since about 3:30. Today is the day we go to Machu Picchu.